How to sell your crypto on Binance. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can sell crypto on Binance. And without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to launch your Binance application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in into your Binance account. So once you're logged in Binance, you can use Binance P2P, that is peer-to-peer feature to sell your crypto. So once you're here, tap on the Binance icon at the top left corner. Once you land on this interface, as you can see on the recommended, there is an option as P2P, tap on it. So once you land on this interface at the top section, select P2P. Now once you are here, you have to first of all select the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. Tap on this drop down right here and then select your cryptocurrency. Then you have to set filters for your preferred fiat currency and payment method. Once you have set your filter from here, you can go back and then you can browse through the list of buyers and select one with the favorable terms and good reputation in this section where you can scroll through it. Then you have to enter the amount that you wish to sell and initiate the trade. Now follow the buyer's payment instructions and confirmed receipt of the funds. Once done, you can release the cryptocurrency to complete the transaction. Here, ensure that your crypto assets are in your funding account before you initiate a P2P trade. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.